Hey, welcome to my first ever YouTube video. In this video I will take you on my journey how I photographed a woodpecker hole and had a few other encounters, you will see it later. I will try to make these videos in English, my English isn't that good, so feel free to correct me in the comments. And if you have some tips how I can improve my videos, leave it too. And if you really like the videos, you can leave a like, you can leave a comment and you can follow me here. Have fun with the video. Good morning. Hope you all doing great. Today we are going to look for a great spotted woodpecker hole. I was yesterday in this area and I found a really nice one and I wanted to show it to you. The weather really isn't nice, it's a little bit drizzling, but I hope the woodpeckers are active as usually. So let's see what we can find. So you already can hear it. I'm on the place from yesterday. I show you. It has to be in this tree. It's a really nice hole. It's nearly on eye level and you can see it from the normal way. So normally I recommend to camouflage you up a little bit to don't scare the woodpeckers. You want that they, like usually, that they come to the nest, to the hole. But in this case I'm dressed up. Normally I have my normal stuff up because you can see the hole from the way. And I was here yesterday and woodpecker come all the time to the hole, so it's no problem at all. They are not scared. Let's build up my tripod and see if we can catch some nice shots. So I set up my tripod. In this tree are the juvenile. You can clearly hear him screaming. The father was already there 2 times, so he sure will come back. I didn't have any footage so far, but yeah, I think I will get some. It was so cool watching the father jumping and flying around in the area of his baby, collecting all this different kind of food, this different kind of insect, and I was always so exciting, looking forward to what will be the next insect he bring to the hole. He even once brought a dragonfly to his child. And I really don't have a clue what this big insect here was. Tell me in the comments. In this picture you can see the really long and sticky tongue of the woodpecker. It helps him to get deep into the wood where the insect larvae are and get them outside. It's really nice. The juvenile is screaming all the time, putting his head outside. What I now try is set up my tripod on another place. I will take it from here and put it a few meters down. I set up my tripod on the first place again. I want to give you some tips if you want to find some woodpecker holes yourself. So how I did it, I'm always outside like the whole year, and I'm looking for large populations of great spotted woodpeckers. And if I found them, I just go there in May and June, and if the woodpeckers are already juvenile, it's really easy to find the holes. They are so crazy loud. Guys, it's so crazy. Here's the woodpecker hole. And I was just looking around, waiting for the father to come back, looking in the other direction. And there's another fox playing with her 3 children. It's crazy. Nature is so fantastic. I love it. Love it so much. I set up my camera here. Perfect look on the hole. In this moment. In this moment the father is coming back. So now that I got a few nice shots, video shots, I try to get a nice picture of the father with the juvenile. I think it's quite hard, but I try my best. So my battery is nearly dead. I have another one, but sadly I'm here already 2 hours. That is not sad, this is really great. I forgot the time completely. But the sad thing is I have to go to work in like 20 minutes, so I have to my stuff and go. Maybe I come back tomorrow and we try again, but it was a really fantastic day. You have just to go there when it's April, May, June. Especially in May and June.